Oh my gosh. Look at that view. Very beautiful view, guys. Wow. They are wondering why I'm alone here. Of course, I'm alone because I'm taking a picture and a video of this area. And for me, it is very, very nice to take a picture of this area, of this park here. And then, that's it. Oh my gosh. I think I need to take a picture of my feet. Oh gosh, guys. So, it's very nice. If you go that way, there's a water here. See, you are just like walking, turning around this area. So let's go, guys. Let's take a picture for a while, like only video. And then, sorry guys, I need to take a video of myself at this area that I was walking. Okay, that's it. Hi guys, I'm here now at the park. Thanks. It's a very nice park, guys. It's very nice. Let's go. Okay, let's go this way. So I'm almost done. Okay, this one is going there. Okay, so this side is to shoot on this area. No, only. Okay, sorry. So I need to take picture like